Hi everyone, this is Cindy Scott, and I wanted to show you my professional portfolio. This is the one that I have created. I created it about a year ago, and I just love this picture of one of my past classes because it showcases a little fun with the students, but also showing that I'm a teacher and have these fun students. On my portfolio, I have put all of my past classes over here on the side, and we're going to go look at LTDE 5330, which is the class that we're doing right now. And in that, I have the 3 authentic pieces that we have created this course. The first one is the collegial coaching personal reflection. After we took the Myers-Briggs and the learning inventory, I discovered that I am an extrovert, sensing, feeling, perceiving. Some of this is very close in percentage to its counterpart. So I kind of feel like maybe I am an ESFP, maybe I'm something else. But anyway, here is the reflective piece that I created for this. It did help to take the Myers-Briggs test to see what my personality is and my learning styles, and also as we were doing coaching, helping to see that my learning style might match up with some of my coachees, and the fact that I needed to really pay attention to my coachees' learning styles to make sure that I was meeting their needs. The second authentic piece that we created this course was our innovative professional development tool, and I did mine on the game Blooket, which is very, very similar to Kahoot, except that it has a couple of extra pieces added to it that are very engaging and really help a competitive child or a competitive class love the game and want to play it more. But I'll play a little bit of this video for you. And I'm going to turn off the sound for you. And I will just go through Blooket. You can create sets in Blooket of questions just like you can in Kahoot. You can also use their sets that have already been created, so you don't need to really do a thing other than go in and find a set that you like. And I was showing all the different sets that you could play and then look at the questions and play it. But this is my video of Blooket. And then the last authentic piece that we created was the collegial coaching reflection. And this is the paper that we created last week with the different reflections of our collegial coaching time. I coached actually 3 people, 2 teachers that I work with, and then another teacher who teaches secondary. And that was just such a wonderful, wonderful experience for me doing this coaching. I thoroughly enjoyed it, thoroughly loved it, and also loved seeing the teachers that I was coaching get excited and just loved going back to their classes and using what we had been doing. But this is my collegial coaching reflection paper, and that is my portfolio for LTDE 5330. Blessings to you, and I have enjoyed being in the class with you.